Want to boost your physical performance naturally without supplements, expensive equipment, or complicated routines? Whether you're an athlete, a gym lover, or just someone who wants more energy and strength, these top 3 exercises will take your performance to the next level. Let's get started. Exercise 1: Squats. First up, squats. Squats are the king of all exercises. They target your legs, glutes, and coral, the major muscle groups responsible for power and stability. Strong legs mean better speed, stronger jumps, and improved endurance. Squats also increase testosterone and growth hormone levels naturally, helping your body build strength faster. You can do body weight squats at home or add weights for more intensity. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Exercise 2: Push-ups next. Push-ups, simple, powerful, and extremely effective. Push-ups build upper body strength, targeting your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They improve muscular endurance and overall stability. The best part? You can do them anywhere. Strong upper body strength enhances athletic movements, improves posture, and reduces injury risk. Try 3 sets of as many reps as you can with proper form. Exercise 3: Planks. Finally, planks. Core strength is the foundation of physical performance. A strong core improves balance, coordination, and power transfer between your upper and lower body. Planks strengthen deep abdominal muscles and protect your spine. Hold a plank for 30 to 60 seconds and repeat 3 times. Consistency is key. Add these 3 exercises to your routine, and you'll see real performance improvements naturally. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and start training smarter today.